Good morning, gals and guys. This is Toby Preacher from Indie-Games.dev. Welcome to this game devlog, and I want to give you a quick update about what I'm doing here. And as I told you in the last video, I am building my own inventory and crafting system now, and it's heavily inspired from the forest and will be some kind of similar to that, but a little bit customized. And I'm building this whole thing from scratch because I didn't find any free tutorial to do so, and to combine inventory, crafting, equipment, drag and drop. And so I want to do that here, and I want to show you some progress of it. You can see here in the middle, this is the roughly layout of the inventory slash crafting system, and you can see some inventory slots here, and down here there are some equipment slots. And if I hit play, you can see I have already some stuff in my inventory. And there you go. You see I have a heart, I have a sword item, I have 2 shield items, and you also can see all the slots who are not equipped or who do not contain any item, they disappear. So you can see I'm doing some progress here, and I will keep you updated on this. Why am I developing this outside my regular game or my zombie? Because I want to make a Unity package out of this when this is done. I also want to make a big tutorial on it, which makes it easy to understand how to build up and set up a system like that, and where you can follow along, or you can maybe purchase or download the package, so you don't even work. You don't even have to work on this by yourself, and you can just import it to your game project. So this is what I'm planning. This is what I want to do. This is if you look at it like that, it is my first kind of digital product I'm putting out there, and the tutorials are gonna be free, so you can follow along and learn. But I'm planning to make the Unity package, make it an asset where you can spend about $10, and then you can just purchase it, import it into your game project, and so you don't have to spend all the time learning and implementing it by yourself. Except if this is what you want to do, learn that stuff, then it's better to follow along. Alright, so this is my current state. This is what I'm doing here, and there will be more updates on this soon. I'm working on this in my free time, in the silence. I'm not recording it, I'm just giving you some updates on it from time to time. So sorry that my videos are not that frequently now as it used to be when I worked on my zombie every day. But that will be the case very soon, and then the videos would be more like daily or every 2 days, something like that. So I thank you very much for watching. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing. Also hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Stay safe and stay healthy, folks, and most importantly, stay happy and make good games.